Hi guys, this is me, Abhinavanath. Welcome to your studio for Civil and Tech. In the previous introductory video or introduction, I have told you that I will give you certain study materials and certain things or certain concept about civil engineering operation research. First, I will go through civil engineering. Then in this video also, the introduction of civil engineering. In this video also, I will tell you that what I will go through in operation research also and how it is important. In case of civil engineering, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering key. Civil engineering is nothing but which is related to the civilization. Like in preliminary cases, we all know that what are the civil structures, house, buildings, residential buildings, bridges, railway tracks and railway stations. So which is basically related to civilization. That is all about civil engineering. In civil engineering, we have different subjects regarding the different things. First, we have to know. Suppose I'm just telling this as when you will you have to erect a building or you have to construct a building. With respect to that, I will do. First, when we have to just do the building and we have to construct the building, firstly we should know that thing that what kind of soil we have, কি ধরনের soil উপর আমরা বিল্ডিংটা তুলব. Then we have to know what kind of foundation we will design, কি ধরনের ফাউন্ডেশন আমরা ডিজাইন করতে পারি সেই সয়েলের কন্ডিশনের উপর, সয়েলের বিয়ারিং ক্যাপাসিটির উপর. বিয়ারিং ক্যাপাসিটি মানে সয়েলটা কতটা প্রেশার নিতে পারে, কতটা অবধি সয়েলটা প্রেশার নিতে পারবে. আফটার দ্যাট দ্য সয়েল উইল জাস্ট বয়েলস ডাউন অ্যান্ড দ্য ফাউন্ডেশন উইল সেটল. এই কনসেপ্টটা রয়েছে. এছাড়া কি কনসেপ্ট রয়েছে? এছাড়া যে কনসেপ্টটা রয়েছে সেই কনসেপ্টটা হচ্ছে যে সাপোজ উই হ্যাভ টু ডিজাইন আ ফাউন্ডেশন, দেন হোয়াট কাইন্ড অফ ফুটিং উই উইল গিভ. আইসোলেটেড মানে সবার সাথে আইসোলেটেড. ওকে, সো ইট ইজ টোটালি আইসোলেটেড. It is only one term, isolated. This kind of footing, they are totally different. Then we have raft foundation, strip foundation. Strip means a long strip, a long length of foundation we will get, long length of footing. Then we have a raft type of foundation. Raft is a kind of boat. It's a huge boat, and in that আমাদের বোটের চওড়াটা অনেক বেশি হয়. So in that situation, that is a raft foundation. So how we will design the foundation, what kind of rods we will use, and how on the basis of load, what number of rods we will use. Then casting, what kind of concrete we will use. After that we will go for pin section, then we will just erect the building. Now in this situation, we have to know certain things. Like in the construction of the building, I've told you in this lecture that in earlier times, that first we need to know the soil condition, then we need to know the foundation, then we need to know what type of foundation we can do, and then we need to know the cement concrete what we can use. Now in this situation, this kind of subjects we have to learn. Second case, what we have to know that what are the subject which is not related to the analysis, but it will directly related to the design section. Strength of material means how a beam will deflect. We know that certain beams are there on which the slabs are resting on, and the beams are resting on the columns. So on which the slabs are resting, so how the beam will bend, how the bending will occur into the beam. This kind of things we have to know. Now a small thing you should know, that is structural analysis. Analysis means when we have a structure, we have a frame structure. Okay, then what kind of thing we can do? Okay, in frame structure, how we can analyze with respect to the load, the beam or the structure will deflect. These are the things we have to know. In that situation, we have to just go through the structural analysis portion. Now how we will go through the design portion? I will start the concrete technology in the next class, and then I will take you to the design portion, RCC design, which is reinforced cement concrete. In cement concrete, we will have a reinforcement of bars, rods, this kind of things. Now So now what we are getting here, that first we have to know the concrete. What is concrete? Concrete is nothing but the mixture of cement, sand and aggregate in a right proportion. Suppose in case of M15 we have 1:2:4, M20 we have 1:1.5:3. Now the proportion is like that, cement is to sand is to aggregate. We have to recognize that. Cement is one portion, that is এক ভাগ সিমেন্ট, তার মানে এক ভাগ সিমেন্ট, দুই ভাগ বালি, চার ভাগ এগ্রিগেট। এগ্রিগেট মানে স্টোন চিপস। In this course we have to know that what are the mixtures of concrete we will get in concrete technology. First thing we need to know that what is the basic proportion of the concrete. In the next class I will do a design, and design of that grade. Grade means how much compressive strength the concrete can take. Suppose in grade denotation, if we have to denote grade, then we have to know M15, M20. So what is M? M is the grade of the concrete. We will determine as M, capital M, not small m, capital M. I will just show you in the next class by writing on the page that how we will get that and how you will design as per that compressive strength. So compressive strength means whenever we have compressions, we are compressing a material. Tension means we are just stretching the material. Stress strain curve, we need to know that. In next class I will do it. So grade of concrete, that how much compressive strength it can take. Now সব থেকে বড় যে চ্যালেঞ্জটা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে সেই গ্রেডটাকে ধরে রাখা। So what is the next challenge? We have to just take the grade of the concrete into proper measurement. So we need to know whether there is a block size that is 150 millimeter, 150 millimeter, 150 millimeter. Then we will just cast the block with that proportion of cement, sand and aggregate. Then we will check the compressive strength after 28 days. After 28 days we will get the right compressive strength. That is for M20 we have 20 Newton per millimeter square. So after 28 days of this casting of the block, if we can do the compressive strength test, then we will get that we have 20 Newton per millimeter square. This is M20. So M denotes the grade and 20 denotes also the grade. So these are the two things we need to know, that M20 is the grade of the concrete, totally the grade of the concrete. M20, 20 means whatever the compressive strength in Newton per millimeter square the block can take or the concrete can take. This is the main method. Then we have slump cone test. We will just after mixing that the concrete when it is produced, then we have initial settle time, final settlement. These are the things. After concrete technology we will go through design. Design means design of the structural members. And how structural members means, we know that first we need to know that when we are doing construction we will test the soil, then we will go for footing, then we have column, then beam, then slab. But in case of design, when we doing into the hand or doing on the pen and paper, we will first draw the beam, or first we will know about the beam. But first of all we need to know how we determine the grade of the concrete. So these are the things I will discuss with you on the next class. Now there are few questions that why we need operation research. Operation research we need, or we have to learn operation research because in operation research we will know about certain networking theories. Networking theories means, suppose you have a huge project, then you have certain activities like 1 to 10 you have activities. So after first activity or after a certain activity, what activity we will do to just finish the job into the time what we will get, or the estimated time what we have in hand. This is the thing we have to know in networking. It is related to the civil engineering because in case of construction management we have to know that whether the time management is proper or not, or the resource we are allocating. Suppose in case of casting we will just cast in concrete, so we have to take cement bags, aggregate bags and sand bags into our construction site. After that we can mix the concrete, then after certain tests we can use that for our casting process. Then which resource we will take, or what kind of resource we can take for that activity, if that resource management is proper or not. This kind of things I will give you in a detailed explanation. Now, first thing that we have to know, that for networking theory we have certain things like LPP, linear programming problem. There is a graphical method, there is a simplex method. I will tell you both the things, big M method, and then we will go for the networking theories like CPM, critical path method. The critical path we have to find it out, the simplex method, then we have our PERT method, project analysis method. This kind of things I will know. And one interesting thing is that we have game theory. Game theory is a really interesting part. So with that, I will just conclude my video today. Thanks for watching this, and thanks to all for going with me, and hopefully in the next lectures you will find it really a good experience for your study curriculum. Thank you.